What's good, YouTube? I'm Lex on Point, also known as Wavy Creatures, and today I'm here to give y'all my top 5 brushes that I'm currently using. And I also got a bonus too for you, give or take. But make sure you watch to the end of this video to see the order of the brushes that I use. So let's get right into it. Before I go through any brush session, I usually use this comb. And what I do is I normally just take the silky off, and just comb through. And this pretty much just lifts my hair. The comb is also good because it detangles your hair. So you don't want to be brushing natty hair all the time. You want to make sure you're combing before every session, at least 5 to 10 minutes, 20 if you like combing. And you want to make sure you lift the hair every angle that needs to be lifted. So first is the comb. Second, I'm using a hard brush, and this Conair joint, y'all can tell it's like old, it's all beat up and everything, but this is literally the brush right now that got the most pull. So I've tried other hard brushes, and this is like a great hard brush. I found this at Walmart, so it's a cheap brush. It's not one of the brushes you gotta order offline or anything like that, but it gives me great pull in and out the shower. So this is good for the washing style, this is good for shower brushing, and this is good as a regular hard brush. So I would definitely recommend getting one of these. After you brush with a hard brush for about 10 to 15 minutes, so each one of these you want to use for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's just throw that out there. The next brush I normally go with is this Royalty brush from the 52 Weeks of Royalty, and this is the 706. This is like a medium brush, a true medium, because it has like great pull to it. It's like, I would consider this like a medium hard, but I know others that consider this a true medium, but I definitely love this brush. The feel of it, the bristles are strong enough for my coarse hair, so y'all already know I'm digging this brush. The next brush that is in my rotation is this other medium, but it's a Torino. I can't give you the number for this because I bought this last year and I really just don't remember the number. It's also not in stock on the website nor Amazon, but this is another medium. It's definitely softer than this brush, but it's also a pretty good brush, and I usually use it right after I use the Blue Royalty. And once again, like I said, each brush you want to go for about 10 to 15 minutes. 5 brushes, 10 to 15 minutes. Guarantees you brush it at least an hour a night. So this is another medium one of these that I just use every time I'm brushing. I pick this brush up, and I got over at least 15 to 20 brushes right now, but this is definitely top 5. Next is my favorite brush out of every brush I ever bought. This is, you can't even see no more. That's how you know I use it so much. This is a Diane 8119. You can tell, like, look how the bristles is bent up, like, over here too, like, oh my God. I done beat this brush up, but it's still top 5. Like, I use this in every session. If my hair is wet, if it's dry, it doesn't even matter. I'm picking this up. And just to let y'all know how much I really like this brush, I went ahead and bought another one. So this is not the same exact one. This one is gray, this one is brown, but it's still Diane 8119. And I already know I love this one, so I'm pretty sure by the time I get ready to use this one, it's gonna be the same. You can also find this on like Amazon for under 10 bucks. So I'd advise y'all to get one of these. Last but not least, we got this pretty brush. This is also a Torino Pro. Also not online anymore, but this is a soft brush. So anytime I'm done my session, I use a soft brush, and I just pretty much go ahead, run that through. Pretty much, like, this is a brush that won't mess up your pattern if you blind brushing, and it just feels great on your head. But anyway, that's the 5th brush that I currently have in my rotation. At the end of the night, y'all know You gotta use a plastic bag. You gotta. Just to lay the little hairs down. So, let's run through this again. You comb, hard brush, medium hard, medium soft, plastic bag, lay the hairs down. But you guys gotta let me know what you see. You guys are not letting me know what you want to see, so I'm just giving you videos. But once you guys let me know exactly what you want to see, I'm gonna be able to provide you those type of videos. So I'm gonna need you guys to leave a comment right now what you want to see. And I'm gonna respond to every single comment on this video and letting you know approximate date that I will make that video. Thank you guys for rocking with me. I'm Lex On Point. Make sure you subscribe to this video and make sure you give it a like. But you already know, I gotta go get some real work with these brushes. So I'm out of here. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Yeah.